Hello students, today we will discuss about image formation by a convex mirror. Earlier we have discussed about the image formation in case of concave mirror. Now we will discuss about convex mirror. So in case of convex mirror, when object is placed at infinity, means at very large distance, the rays which are parallel to the principal axis are diverged by the mirror. When we extend them geometrically, they will meet at this point F, called focus. This is the geometrical extension of the rays. Rays are actually not passing through this point. So if the rays are not actually passing through this point, so the image formed is virtual. Image formed is virtual image. Now in second case, when the object is placed in front of convex mirror, the ray which is parallel is diverged by the mirror. Ray which is normal to the mirror will retrace its path. When extended geometrically, it will pass through the center of curvature. So the rays after reflection do not meet at here. They are meeting at this point when extended geometrically. Again here the image formed is virtual because rays are actually not passing through this point. So the image formed is virtual and it will be of small size. So the convex mirror always forms virtual image. So when the object is at infinity, the image is formed at the focus. It is highly diminished, means small in size, point in size, virtual and erect. When the object is between pole and infinity, this is the pole and infinity is large distance. Object is between pole and infinity. So the image is formed between P and F. Between P and F. It is small in size, diminished, virtual and erect. So convex mirror always forms virtual images. Now we will discuss the use of convex mirror. What are the uses of convex mirror? So convex mirror is usually used as a rear view mirror in vehicles on the side of the vehicle. These mirrors are fitted on the sides of the vehicle, enabling the driver to see traffic behind him to facilitate safe driving. Why convex mirror is used as a rear view? Because as we have discussed, the image formed by the convex mirror is virtual, erect, small in size. So this mirror can cover large area behind the vehicle. So it has a wide field of view. So convex mirror has wide field of view. It is used as rear view mirror. Convex mirror helps the driver to view much larger area than would be possible for a plane mirror. So now we have discussed the image formation in case of concave and convex mirror. So now there is a one exercise. Now you have to do this exercise. You have to write the answers of these questions. Define the principal focus of a concave mirror. Radius of curvature of spherical mirror is 20 cm. What is its focal length? Name the mirror that can give an erect and enlarged image of the object. Why do we prefer convex mirror as rear view? So you have to answer these questions and post your answer. First write on the notebook, then click a photo, convert it into PDF and then send it in the class Google Classroom. Okay, thank you.